Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by deciding scope and assets so your picture dictionary is focused and usable. Select a Z coverage, target age range, and language. This guides word choices. Once decided, gather images, take photos, commission drawings, or download royalty-free art. Make sure files are high resolution and consistent. Open a spreadsheet and list each letter, candidate words, image file names, and brief notes. Then, pick one word per letter to start layout tests. This gets you from planning into actual production immediately. You now design consistent pages so readers intuitively learn. Create a page template. Decide margins, grid, and whether 16:9 or print pages work best. Choose readable typography and a simple color palette to support legibility and accessibility. For each selected word, place the image, crop and edit for visual consistency, and add labels, word, part of speech, and a one-line definition. Once layout feels balanced, export sample pages as PDFs or images to test with real users and refine spacing and contrast. You finish by finalizing content and producing deliverables so the dictionary is ready to use. Proofread every label and definition for spelling and age-appropriate language, and make last adjustments to image alignment. Export print-ready PDFs at 300 dpi or optimized PNG/JPEG sets for web, and create a simple index or navigation. If users report wrong or confusing images, replace the image, re-export the affected pages, and recheck. A common fix, redoing image cropping and contrast, usually resolves legibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.